So last week I got really inspired by this project. It's called Alpha Arena and they have agents trading in the real world. So the creators gave each agent $10,000 to just go and trade crypto assets. And some were able to make about, I don't know, like 32% in profit, while others are down bad here. I think this guy's down, like Gemini's down 40%. But that made me really think, if agents are so good, then let's just build out agents. So I ended up just building a open source agent like the one here. After getting inspired by that, I ended up building this. So this is how the architecture works on a high level. You provide inputs. So let me just go over the inputs real quick. So you provide a TA API key, which gives you the indicator information. You give the private key of your wallet, which is holding funds on Hyperliquid. Then you provide the open router API key, and then you provide the assets you want to trade, an interval of like how often you want it to check, and the LLM you want it to use to trade. This is, once the inputs have been provided, it's going to run the trading agent. So on a high level, how the trading agent works is it fetches multiple technical indicators, provides the indicators and price data as context for each asset, and then it goes in a loop. It does like more tool calls to verify the information, and then finally it makes a decision. And it writes those decisions in a diary and also makes those trades on Hyperliquid. So I can show you an agent which I ran last night. So this agent ended up making 6% overnight, which is pretty impressive. I put $50 just to test it, but the results were pretty darn impressive. So this is like all the trades it did. You can see the timing. I was definitely not awake at these points of time. So I'm going to go through how to deploy this now. You can either run it locally with Poetry Run Python, or you can run it with Docker, or you can use EigenCloud. So you have to go to onboarding.eigencloud.xyz. So you have to go here, provide all this information, and we are going to give you access to EigenCloud. So what is EigenCloud? EigenCloud is a private verifiable cloud. Any information you put in there is within the cloud. It never gets out. And all the actions happening inside it are verifiable. So you can know that no one interfered with your code, and all your private keys are just private in there. So once you have got access to it, you will have to once you've got access to it, you have to go and install the EigenX CLI. You have to then provide all this information, and once you have done it, so I have this agent for DeepSeek. I'm going to go ahead and do EigenX app deploy, and then if you want, you can provide your specific environment variables. In this case, I want to provide DeepSeek. Go ahead and deploy this, build and deploy. Select this and add the agent app name. So I'm going to call it DeepSeek1. I'll make it such that anyone can view these logs. Yes, and it will go and build this file and deploy it on Docker. It is going to show my private keys. I want my editor to just hide these. Okay. After that, you press Y and it is deployed. So it will take like about 1 minute to 2 minutes, and you will have your agent running. You can see that it has been deployed now, and we'll go ahead and build it out. Okay, this is not the end. There's more stuff coming up. I want you to follow me and stay tuned for the next exciting trading agent game. I don't know, just keep guessing.